Makita XAG04T 18V LXT BL cutoff and angle grinder kit. Honest cordless power review. You are mid-job, cutting through pipe or grinding down a weld, and the cord catches on something again. You stop, untangle it, reposition yourself, and lose another 5 minutes you did not have. That tight, grinding frustration in your chest when a tool slows you down instead of helping you push through is something every tradesperson knows intimately. And here's the thing, it is not just the cord. It is the awkward angles, the cramped spaces where cords never reach cleanly, the extension leads snaking across the floor that become trip hazards by mid-afternoon. Working with the wrong setup does not just waste time. It chips away at the quality of the work itself. If any of that sounds painfully familiar, you are definitely not alone here. The tension compounds faster than most people admit. You start the morning with a plan, a clean-cut list, a realistic timeline. Then the cord pulls the grinder sideways at the wrong moment, and the cut is off. You correct it. It happens again. By midday, there is a dull pressure behind your focus, that quiet exhaustion of fighting your own tools instead of trusting them. Some people switch to cheaper cordless grinders, hoping for relief, only to find the battery drains halfway through a heavy cut, and the motor bogs down under real load. Others drag the corded setup everywhere, because at least the power is consistent, even if the setup takes twice as long. Neither option feels like a real solution. Neither gives you the freedom and the performance at the same time. There has to be a smarter way to work. And the good news is, there genuinely is one. Then everything changed when I found the Makita XAG04T 18V LXT BL 4.5-inch or 5-inch cutoff and angle grinder kit. And let me say this clearly before anything else. Don't just pick any cordless angle grinder. Make sure it has a brushless motor with automatic speed change technology, so you never suffer through a bogging, overheating tool that dies mid-cut again. The XAG04T is built around exactly that idea. The brushless motor runs cooler, lasts longer, and adjusts torque automatically based on the material you are cutting. It does not just spin at one flat speed and hope for the best. Drop a comment below if you have ever had a cordless grinder let you down at the worst possible moment. And here is the thing that genuinely surprised me about the XAG04T once I started using it regularly. The automatic speed change technology is not a marketing phrase. It actually detects resistance under load and pushes more torque through before you even notice the slowdown. That means cutting through tile, conduit, and steel pipe feels smooth and controlled rather than forced. The active feedback sensing technology adds another layer of confidence, shutting the motor off immediately if the wheel binds or stops suddenly, which any experienced grinder user knows can save both the tool and the operator in a difficult moment. A Pro Tool Reviews assessment confirmed that while the XAG04T does not fully replicate a 13-amp corded grinder under the heaviest weld removal loads, it outperforms corded options in almost every other real-world scenario because of the freedom and balance it provides. One verified customer said he found himself reaching for the Makita far more than his corded grinders over several months of consistent use. The 5.6-pound weight with battery and the rubberized soft grip also make extended overhead or awkward angle work noticeably less exhausting. Is your current grinder actually working with you or quietly working against you? The Makita XAG04T 18V LXT BL 4.5-inch or 5-inch cutoff and angle grinder kit gives you brushless performance, smart safety systems, and a complete ready-to-work package without the cord holding you back. thousands of tradespeople and serious DIY users are already relying on it daily across demanding job site conditions, and results may vary based on your specific applications. If you are ready to experience what a cordless grinder genuinely built for performance feels like, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment below. Go check it out and see how it fits into your workflow today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.